Oh, right guys, we're going to make a start in the first room. Yeah, it does. It does. It smells damp. Wow, look at these plates. Again, obviously dog owners. Wow. Loving them cups. They are very nice.
There's all cobwebs on the fridge and everything.
Is there? Well, you can see on the doors here.
Wait till you come into this room.
Wow, that is. You've got the dead plants.
I'll go live in here.
Currently here, guys, with Urbex Lost and Found. You'll find them on Facebook.
How's everyone going?
We literally just walked into this place. We found it today.
What a find.
Which is absolutely amazing. So just get.
Wait till you go in there with all cobwebs, mate.
Oh no, looking forward to it.
God. Wait till you see this front room. This is the ultimate.
Got loads of books in there now. Diaries, address books. Wow, what are these? Embassy vouchers. That's a new one. Got some little ducks. Well, there's the Queen Mother there. The Queen Mother's plate. Some of these trinkets, a lot of cobwebs dotted around. Obviously, into their animals. Come into the main bedroom here. Whoa, I thought it was the main bedroom. I don't think it is. Wow, look at this dresser, guys. Baby pictures there. The brushes. Wow, we've still got clothing nicely folded up. Oops. Damn it. I accidentally broke it off trying to pull it open. Wow. I'll show you the trolley along here. The clock. I've got some pictures up there. This beautiful trunk. Full of lovely clothes. I've got a wardrobe along here. Whoa. Still full of clothes. I feel like this place has only just become abandoned. I mean, you'll see on the floor in here, there's all dead bugs, everything. Pheasant photo at the top there. We'll come out back into this little hallway. Bell system there. Plates hanging up. Come across into the front room. Oh wow. This is amazing. You come across, look at all the bugs that are dead on the floor. This fireplace. Little TV with the dead plants around it. You just feel quite on edge being in here, to be honest. It's obviously very freshly abandoned. Right near a window as well, which doesn't help. All the plants are dead. I think I'll move across out of here. Feel a bit dodgy in there, to be honest.
Well, I'm a bit dodgy because all the jewellery's still in the wall.
Oh, is it? Well, we need to make sure this one doesn't get out and Wow. I'm not going to go through the drawers. Ian's just said the jewellery's still there. I'll be honest, I don't want to show that. It's obviously quite freshly abandoned. And we don't want that being shown to anyone, because once these places get out, they do get ransacked, people. I'm not going to lie. Got a calendar from 2019. It says to me that it's quite fresh. Big buttons. Look at the spiders and that. The cobwebs. Got a cross stitch here. A little dog. I'll come across. Show you this picture here. Hope it helps. Wedding picture. Beautiful. A few pieces in there. Look at this. Another bird picture. Beautiful little bungalow. Come through to the bathroom. The old stair lift. Again, the bugs. It's starting to decay in here. As you'll see up there. We've still got soaps. Sieve, the old toilet. Got towel rail here as well. Well, handrail to help them out. And the nightie, that's up there. Oh, hold on. Oh wow, there's an in closet. Proper stacked. We're coming to the kitchen. Greeted by the toaster. Still jars of coffee, the pots. And auger. Oh, I love them. It's in quite a modern house. It's quite weird to have that. Modern microwave. I think I got that microwave at home. Got the fridge along here. Wow, empty and full of cobwebs. Same with the freezer. Cobwebs hanging off of it. Wow, coming to the pantry here. Look at these. They're just amazing. It's just full of cobwebs in that room, isn't it? What we got in here? Coats. Old vacuum cleaner down there. Quite a small explore really, isn't it? In the grand scheme of things. Got some stuff at the bottom here as well, the old tins. Mousetrap there. Bottles. Look at that cordial. That juice, that's all like parted. God, it's so cobwebby in there.
There's dust everywhere.
Well, there is. It's what I was saying, you look on the floor. There's all bugs, the lot.
I was a bit apprehensive about coming in here.
Well, no, I'm not surprised. And I'm not rooting through things simply because I don't want to give anything away.
No, it's too good.
It's too good, and if there's jewellery in here,
Well,
people will have it. Ooh. the plates. So put some canes and that down there. Oh God, crazy. Like the pheasants. It's like electric tin opener. These dead plants. We shall get across to the trinkety pieces. Wow. I'm sorry this one's gone a bit quick, guys, but it feels like this is quite a fresh place to be abandoned, but all the cobwebs, the dead bugs, you know, this wouldn't have happened if it was being looked after, and it is. I think it shows you it's on the way of becoming proper abandoned. You know, the tea towel still looks fresh in that. It's nuts. This has still got a medicine cabinet or drawer. Cutlery in here. Cutlery? Sorry. Plates, cups, saucers, teapots. Is that a teapot? Just want to show you as well. Underneath here, got vases and what looks like slippers.